Solid ang pinakita ni Kit Jimenez kontra Cebu. Hindi lang basta mainit, nag-aapoy 7 out of 9 sa 3. That's 77.8% from deep. Parang wala lang, parang routine lang yung mga tira niya. Umiscore siya ng 23 points at halos hindi na kinakailangan ng tulong para selyuan ang panalo. Ang final score nga ay 119-95. Tambak ang Cebu. Grabe ang binigay na damage ng Sarangani Grippers. At si Kit, dating PBA na sa San Miguel Birmen, ngayon parang mas deadly pa sa MPBL. Kung ganito ang performance niya every game, sino pa ang makaka-stop sa Sarangani o kay Kit Jimenez mismo? Kaya tara, panoorin natin ang ilang highlights ng labang ito mga idol.
Maglaro sila ng mga ayos on both sides of the basketball. And there you go, opening possessions, they get the steal and the basket. Mariano in the lane, and he finds the mates involved while attacking the basket. There you go, another pass to Alves, but this time the conditioning.
A nice pass. Mecca, easy. The shot difficult. Aliare will get to this and find the second. Kit Jimenez, 10 seconds to work with. Kit, the step back three from deep. Good. You shoot it all the way from 28-30 feet out.
You're right, almost near half.
The Junji Aliare. Junji finds King inside. Beautiful move.
Titira niya na lang.
13-7. Santos from deep. Botado pulls the trigger. That's short. He gets his own miss. Trying to find a teammate. Alves left it short. Destacamento. It's a turnover. Santos ahead to Hiro. Jameson. Kid. Nice catch. Nice. And that one. The step back three. Yes. Ano yung celebration niya? Don't even start with me, Joey. At Lawa. Trying to look for a teammate. Ball tapped away by Junji. It's Destacamento. Notivis for three to Santos. Against Junji. At Lawan inside the paint. At Lawan.
Tema. At tulad nga na nakita natin sa first half, malaki yung tiwala sa kanya ng coaching staff na.
The team goes seems far away now, but
I'm sure that he definitely has a bright future in this league. At to how he's been performing here, hindi niya sasayangin to.
Santos with a throwdown. Destacamento ahead to Charles Caliano for Martin Gozum also into double figures.
Sarangani players to learn is
Bist launches the three off the glass. Khalid Jeko steps into that.
In the next 3 games, I'm sure the Cebuanos would want to see a good show against the 3-point shot, I think, here in the second half.
Yeah, in the second half. Mecca lays it in. Inside they go. Martin Go.
So had it not been for that 21-point third quarter, if they maybe score